Hi, I'm Erica Corley, and I'm here at the 2013 International CES in Las Vegas with Solomon Daniels, the editor-in-chief of Mobile Electronics, the official automotive electronics media partner for CES. Solomon, what are some of the trends on the show floor that really stand out to you this year?
Well, of course, it starts with the iPhone 5. I mean, our industry for the last few years has really been chasing the iPhone and making sure that we can be compatible with it with our products. And so this year it's about who's compatible with the iPhone 5. Now, a lot of companies have come out and said, we're compatible in terms of audio, but there are a couple of companies now that are coming out saying we can also pass video through the iPhone 5. So that's pretty exciting. Now, another thing is wireless charging. Now, that's pretty exciting. It's a relatively new category, but it's exciting to see that it's in the automotive space, which is where I really think it makes sense because, you get in your car, you've got to deal with these wires, you plug your phone in, you throw it on the seat. If you could have your phone as a place where you can just set it down someplace or, clamp it into something and it's fully charging and then use its wireless capabilities like Bluetooth for music, I mean, that's a perfect hassle-free solution.
Absolutely. As the editor-in-chief of Mobile Electronics, why is coming to CES important for your readers?
Because they depend on us. I mean, a lot of our readers, most of them in fact, are small business owners. You've got one or two people in the store. You want to keep your shop open. You might not be able to make it to the show, or maybe you send one guy and they don't get everything you want. And so they really depend on us to bring the show to them. So when I come to CES, I come looking for a couple of things. I come to see what are the new product innovations out there. I try to get around to see every booth. It's a big process, trust me. And I also try to look at the broader picture, see what trends are going on in the industry, and also look at the manufacturers and see what types of programs that they have for retailers that will help them grow their business in the coming year.
Awesome. And based on what you've seen so far on the show floor, what are your technology predictions for the automotive electronics market?
Wi-Fi in the car, that's what I'm really excited about. I mean, if you think about it right now, all of the connectivity in the car is really surrounding connecting the phone or having the phone in close proximity to do Bluetooth type connectivity. And that's really where most of it comes from. But imagine now if you start to make these Wi-Fi capable devices. I mean, if you look at what some of the major carriers are doing with their Wi-Fi hotspots, they're coming down in price. It used to be $60 a month to have these things. Now they're down in the $20 a month range, getting closer to that sweet spot of $10 a month. Now, once you get there and customers start to say, that's not bad, if I could have Wi-Fi in my car all the time, manufacturers start to develop products that are Wi-Fi capable, then you open this whole other world. If you can have car amplifiers that you can download, certain specs and things to program them or download firmware updates to all the equipment in the vehicle, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities for car audio.
Solomon, thank you for dropping by and enjoy the rest of the show.
Great, thanks for having me.